Keep in mind that the supplies for this issue were actually provided in issue number 40. The platform is super tiny, so tweezers or really tiny fingers are a must here. Just be patient, go slow, and try not to lose anything. The firing grips fell off my bench, and it took me like 20 minutes to find them. The paper on the stickers was really hard to get off, so I used an X-Acto knife to help me out. Also, the layout of the stickers is really weird, so just kind of tinker with it and don't push them down tight until you're really comfortable with how they're looking. Also, be really careful when screwing this down, as the seat can break easily under the pressure of the screwdriver. More tweezers and tiny fingers here. Also, if you wanted to, you can paint the recess when everything is glued down. I'm going to hold off and paint everything all at once, though. Tiny, tiny, tiny magnets in this issue. So just be super careful because there are no extras. Don't let them go flying across the room the way I did. If you're having deja vu, that's because this is exactly the same thing you did in issue 41. Step and repeat. And we have more deja vu. All right, here's where it really starts coming to life. So first you need to collect all the parts from the last 45 issues. Pro tip, they're all numbered. All right, now that you have everything, let's get screwing. I probably should have come up with something better there. There it is. Holy cow, this thing is going to be huge. Yeah, this is actually a lot bigger than I was kind of expecting it to be. That's all right. I still have a while to figure out where I'm going to put it. Okay, so that was issue 46, and this is now coming to life. So let's move on to issue... Guess what, kids? More tiny magnets, so keep them safe. All right, In theory, this should have been super easy, but it was a pain because I installed the mounting ring wrong. So I had to remove it and install it properly. If I'd been paying attention versus showing off for the camera last time, I would have noticed the notch on the ring telling me how to do this correctly. Ah well. There we go. The turret window is in place. All right, and that's the end of box number 12. We have made some insane progress over the last 2 boxes here. The bottom of the Falcon is almost 100% complete. In the next boxes, we'll be adding on some plant-on details and greeblies, as well as probably we can start painting this after the next box or so. So that is awesome. I am super pumped about this. I am glad I went to Galaxy's Edge a few weeks ago to re-inspire me and reignite the passion for this particular project. Thanks so much for watching. If you're working on this project and are around this same area of the journey on your own Millennium Falcon, let me know in the comments below. If you saw something that I did that was kind of strange and you didn't go that route, let me know as well. Let's share ideas. Let's swap tips and tricks. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, stop planning and start making. Thanks for watching, everyone.